Hi guys, so this is Chris. She looks so calm. Usually she will bite me, or she will peachy, or like so gangbuster. But today, oh my God, she's the most beautiful hybrid lorikeet. Is that true, Chris? Is that one? You see? Huh? See, isn't he beautiful? Huh? Beautiful, tomato. But then, up, come on. Hello. Chris? 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 What are you doing? Come on, let's. Oh, Chris, how are you? Happy bird. Right. Okay. Her official sound is like this. Not in my head. I said hello. Okay, he used to call the rest. He very talkative, and he said, "Meow," and then he said, and he said, Chris, it's very beautiful dinosaur. Huh? No. What's that? Okay. Okay. So see you next time. Okay. Chris, oh my God, she's so. Hello.